Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make different page size in Microsoft Word. So very simple and easy way. Just you have to guys click on page layout. Here click on breaks and here click on next page. Now click on size. You can set different size. Again click on page layout and break next page. You can change different size. So as we can see, this document has 3 pages and all are in different size. All are in different size. Break next page and make different size here. Similarly, you can do this one where you have this content. Similar way, if you have content, so make your cursor in the last line, then page break and click on next page. Now you can change size for this page, like A5 for this size. Now select Ctrl X and Ctrl V here. Again make the cursor in the last point, then next page. Now this one you have to change size. Ctrl X and make here Ctrl V. So this way guys, you can make different page size in MS Word document. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.